Yan you guys. Ganito magalit yung anak ko sa akin. Hindi ko siya makita. Yan yung si Chico. Kalawang beses po ako bumalik. Hanggang sa gumalaw po yung kumot. Ayan. Where's Chico? Chico, Mama wants to talk to you. Chico?
Hi.
Ayan, guys. You feeling better now?
No.
You're still mad?
Because you ate all my
I ate your cereals. But I told you do not leave your food. If you leave your food, I'll eat it all.
Now see, I don't have any normal. Now see, there's no more cereal.
So what? Cereals are still on the table. Why are you hiding inside the blanket?
Because I finished a little bit